Hi, I am Maria Fretzie Llevado, and I am going to discuss what is change management.
So what is change management? Change management is defined as the methods and manners in which a company describes and implements change within both its internal and external processes. This includes preparing and supporting employees, establishing the necessary steps for change, and monitoring pre- and post-change activities to ensure successful implementation. Significant organizational change can be challenging. It often requires many levels of cooperation and may involve different independent entities within an organization. Developing a structured approach to change is critical to help ensure a beneficial transition while mitigating disruption. Changes usually fail for human reasons. The promoters of the change did not attend to the healthy, real, and predictable reactions of normal people to disturbance of their routines. Effective communication is one of the most important success factors for effective change management. All involved individuals must understand the progress through the various stages and see results as the change cascades. Next is how to implement change management. First, define the change. Second, select the change management team. Third, identify management sponsorship and secure commitment. Fourth, develop implementation plan including metrics. Fifth, implement the change in stages, if possible. Sixth, collect and analyze data. Seventh, quantify gaps and understand resistance. And last is modify the plan as needed and loop back to the implementation step. Resistance to change can be defined as any obstacle that becomes an impediment to implementing change. The source of resistance is often individuals or groups, but it can also be systems or processes that are outdated or that fail to fit current business conditions. Change management provides a structured approach for supporting the individuals in your organization to move from their own current states to their own future states. There is 3 levels of change management. First is individual change management. While it is the natural psychological and physiological reaction of humans to resist change, we are actually quite resilient creatures. When supported through times of change, we can be wonderfully adaptive and successful. Individual change management requires understanding how people experience change and what they need to change successfully. It also requires knowing what will help people make a successful transition. What messages do people need to hear when and from whom, when the optimal time to teach someone a new skill is, how to coach people to demonstrate new behaviors, and what makes changes stick in someone's work. Individual change management draws on disciplines like psychology and neuroscience to apply actionable frameworks to individual change. Next is organizational/initiative change management. Organizational change management involves first identifying the groups and people who will need to change as the result of the project, and in what ways they will need to change. Organizational change management then involves creating a customized plan for ensuring impacted employees receive the awareness, leadership, coaching, and training they need in order to change successfully. Driving successful individual transitions should be the central focus of the activities in organizational change management. Organizational change management is complementary to your project management. Project management ensures your project's solution is designed, developed, and delivered, while change management ensures your project's solution is effectively embraced, adopted, and used. Third last is enterprise change management capability. Enterprise change management is an organizational core competency that provides competitive differentiation and the ability to effectively adapt to the ever-changing world. An enterprise change management capability means effective change management is embedded into your organization's roles, structures, processes, projects, and leadership competencies. Change management processes are consistently and effectively applied to initiatives. Leaders have the skills to guide their teams through change, and employees know what to ask for in order to be successful. Next is 5 key elements of change management. A change management solution can play a key role in helping organizations establish a stable management. Finding a good change management solution depends on knowing exactly what you're looking for in a solution. Some things you should be looking for in a change management system include: 1. Smooth approval processes. Approval status issues play a key role in ensuring smooth change operations. You need to have the right approval checks in place as change requests are moved between different workflow stages. A good change management solution will feature global approval status checks to send requests in a logical way, but also give you the option to create a custom approval script to automate authorizations. Number 2. Process automation. Change success depends on being able to move processes from one user to another without delay, disruption, or confusion. This can be difficult if you are depending on your IT or support workers to document what has been completed and send the workflow on to the next user. Automating these processes can ensure smooth operations and maximize efficiency. Number 3. Governance tools. A good change management solution will feature built-in checks and balances that helps users understand not just what they need to do, but how and when they need to do it. For example, managers can create reminders about regulatory rules when some change processes are enacted. These simple tools can play a key role in keeping operations running with proper oversight that minimizes error. Number 4. Data access. Users handling change operations can work more effectively when they have the right data at their disposal. Effective data visualization tools play a vital role in helping users handle change operations intelligently and efficiently. Number 5. CAB functionality. Tools that support the creation and implementation of a change advisory board help integrate business and technology goals into change operations. A CAB brings together IT and corporate users to develop long-term change strategies, respond quickly to unexpected change requests, and prioritize tasks to maximize value. Change management solutions enable IT and support teams to operate more efficiently. This becomes much easier when the change management solution is equipped with the key features you need to enable intelligent, consistent, and effective change operations. The importance of change management. Change management plays an increasingly important role in modern organizations. Change management focuses on the people side of change, whereas project management focuses on delivering the product side of things. These are the 8 reasons why change management is important. Change management is important for several reasons. Right is external factors. Second, 1. Making ideas succeed. Third one is enabling cross-functional changes. Fourth one, engaging people with the change process. 5 is preparing for organizational transition. 6 is decreasing resistance to a change initiative. 7 is improving performance and productivity. And of course last is reducing costs. What is the purpose of change management? Change management is a systematic approach to dealing with the transition or transformation of an organization's goals, processes, or technologies. The purpose of change management is to implement strategies for affecting change, controlling change, and helping people to adapt to change. Such strategies include having a structured procedure for requesting a change, as well as mechanisms for responding to requests and following them up. To be effective, the change management process must take into consideration how an adjustment or replacement will impact processes, systems, and employees within the organization. There must be a process for planning and testing change, a process for communicating change, a process for scheduling and implementing change, a process for documenting change, and a process for evaluating its effects. Documentation is a critical component of change management, not only to maintain an audit trail should a rollback become necessary, but also to ensure compliance with internal and external controls, including regulatory compliance. And that's all my discussion. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.